Welcome to organizing your Blackboard shell. We all have different ways that we organize things. When it is our space, we know where things are. But when it comes to Blackboard shells, we need to think about how others think and organize. We want to make sure that our Blackboard shells are user-friendly, and they look like the image on the left and not the image on the right. You want to make sure your shell is easy to navigate. In this shell, you can see that there are only 2 modules above week 1, Start Here and Help Videos. Keep it simple. Don't junk up your Blackboard so students don't know where to find things. Create weekly folders or modules. Here are 2 examples of listing folders. On the left is the week and the date. I found that just listing week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4 can be confusing for students. By listing the week dates, they know what week they should be working in. The example on the right lists what is in the folder, the date, the theme, and what is due. I recommend only having the first 2 weeks open once the term starts, and then opening the next week each week. It allows students to work 1 week ahead if they need, but not too far ahead. And it also doesn't junk up Blackboard. Some instructors will hide older weeks and only have current and future weeks open. This is an example of what a folder looks like on the inside. There is a message and objectives every week. Plan ahead. This is for a bigger assignment that students need to start planning for that is due on a future date. Reading assignment. This course has an OER book, so students click on the link and it takes them straight to the reading assignment. Discussion board, applied task, which is a written assignment, and content review or quiz. So each folder content for this shell looks like this. It's consistent. It has the same icons and is in the same order week after week. You need to remember you are going to have students that have never used Blackboard before. And as I stated before, we all have different ways to organize. So your Blackboard will look very different than Patrick's Blackboard. So create a short video. Make it generic. Don't state dates or terms, so you only have to create it once and can keep using it. Let your students know you are a real person. Fill out the instructor information with your contact information, but also fill out some information about you and attach a photo. Let them know you are human, especially if you are an online instructor. Please, please, please upload your syllabus to Blackboard. Make sure you use the most recent version. They are updated every fall, sometimes spring if a major policy is changed or added. Policies change and you need to use the newest one so that you and we can enforce them. If it isn't on your syllabus, we can't enforce it. Newest templates can be found in the ARC found when logging into Blackboard. It is the Academic Resource Center shell. If you don't have access to it, email your immediate supervisor to get added. Use announcements to send weekly memos, reminding students of what is coming up, what is due, etc. I plan all of mine out before the term and schedule them so that they are done. I go in and tweak them as needed if I need to address any issues or praise. And that is it. Use your toolbox and your resources to keep you and your Blackboard organized. It will save you time and a lot of headaches.